Today is Christmas ornaments. So I have 3 ornaments that are easy and unique. I don't think I've seen any like this before. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So sit back and enjoy the ornaments that are original and are really cool. So with that being said, let's get on and look at the stillness of the night. That is what I'm going to name my collection. DIY number 1, Nativity scene. The supplies needed include wood glue, nativity scene kit, antique wax, music sheet, and jute. Now, I found a nativity kit at Dollar Tree. I think this was last Christmas, and I decided that I would make it musical. Now, I am not going to sing to you, but you should hear the music that goes along with the DIY. I looked at the pieces and decided to put antique wax on the manger and the wise men. The background of the manger, I put the music sheet in the back. But I first put it on some cardstock to give it a little stability. And then I cut around the manger scene and glued it on. I graded the color of the wise men as not to be all of the same. And then for Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, I covered them with music. Oh, little town of Bethlehem. Now, there were 2 openings in the base of the manger to glue the scene. Then I put the manger in first, and then the parents of Jesus and baby Jesus, then the wise men. Now, history says that when the wise men visited Jesus, he was 2 years old, and they followed a star to find him. So the scene is not really correct, but we do worship him who made everything. I used jute to hang the ornament, and I think this looks awesome. So let me know what you think about this one. DIY number 2, Silent Night. Supplies needed include wood glue, a tiny wooden frame from Dollar Tree, black acrylic paint, gold ribbon, cardstock paper, sheet music, paper punch, sticky snowflakes, sticky trees, and 1 sticky deer. I found these wooden frames at the Dollar Tree and thought they would be great as a frame for music. Now this one is Silent Night, and I just got the music from online. And I painted it black because the night is dark with stars. When it was dry, I put the song Silent Night on the backside. The song was secured with some cardstock paper for stability and some wood glue. And I just used wood glue and it worked perfectly, no wrinkles or anything. And the back was painted black. Now you know how I like both sides to be finished. I painted the back side black and put 2 green sticky trees in different places, 2 snowflakes at the top, and 1 deer for the night scene. Now this one did not have an opening to hang anything from it, so I used my punch and put an opening at the top for the hanger. And finally, a gold ribbon was threaded through the opening and hung on the tree. Now, this was a ribbon that was a little bit wider, so I cut it skinny so that it would fit. This is so easy to make and quick, too. So let me know what you think of this beauty. Day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas is a collaboration where you make Christmas ornaments. The hosts are Rustic and Lace DIYs and Crafting in Mimi's World. These are fabulous women who can DIY anything and make it look fabulous. So be sure to subscribe, like, and save. The link to their channels is in the description box below. Now, there are other crafters like me who have made some awesome Christmas ornaments too. So be sure to subscribe and like our channels also. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. DIY number 3. Hark the Herald Angels Sing. The supplies needed are wooden flat bulb, music sheet, cardstock plaid paper, hot glue, wood glue, jute, some little angel wings. That is about it. I had a wooden flat bulb in my stash and I covered it with plaid Christmas paper. So it was red paper, looking like snowflakes falling from it. And I traced around the bulb and cut out the form. Then I used wood glue to adhere the plaid cardstock paper to the flat bulb. Then I put Hark the Herald Angels Sing. This was a song that I just cut a slight angle on both sides and kind of tilted it so it's not just straight across. And I glued that on. Now I had to add some angels, 3 on each side. Are you singing this song? Let me know. I think it's adorable. I threaded some jute through the opening for the hook. Then I used hot glue to add some jute around the outside of the ornament. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate and love each one of you. I hope you like what you've seen. Please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And if there's something you would like for me to make, let me know. And remember, prayer is where peace begins and worry ends. See you later. Bye-bye.